In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shade a paragraph in Microsoft Word. Shading a paragraph is a quick way to make important information stand out, add visual structure to your document, or improve readability without changing your layout. It places a solid block of color behind the text, stretching from the left to the right margin of that paragraph, which gives it a clean, professional look. Start by selecting the paragraph you want to shade. You can click and drag to highlight it, or just place your cursor anywhere inside that paragraph. Even if you highlight only a few words, paragraph shading treats the whole paragraph as a block, so the color will extend across its full width. Keep this in mind if you're aiming for a consistent appearance across multiple paragraphs. Next, head to the Home tab at the top of the screen. This is the central place for formatting tools in Word, so if you're ever unsure where something is, the Home tab is a great first stop. Look for the paragraph group, where you'll see a paint bucket icon labeled Shading. This is different from the text highlight tool. Highlight applies color strictly behind the selected text characters, while shading applies color behind the entire paragraph area. Click the Shading button to open the Color dropdown. You'll see Theme Colors and Standard Colors. Theme colors adapt to your document's design, which helps keep your formatting consistent if you're using a template or company style. Pick a color that provides enough contrast for easy reading. Light, muted shades often work best for body text, while darker or more saturated colors can be used for headings or callouts. If your text seems hard to read after shading, consider a lighter shade or ensure your text color contrasts clearly with the background. Once you choose your color, Word instantly applies it to the entire paragraph. You'll notice the color spans from margin to margin of that paragraph, not just behind the words you selected. This behavior is by design and is what sets paragraph shading apart from simple text highlighting. Shading is especially useful for section headers, summaries, warnings, or key takeaways. It can also help readers scan long documents by visually grouping related content. For a polished result, use colors consistently and sparingly so the most important parts stand out without overwhelming the page. That's all you need to shade a paragraph in Word. Select the paragraph, go to the Home tab, click Shading, and choose your color. Thanks for watching and happy formatting!